ilalagay ko yung gulay. Tubig, kumukulo siya. Tapos, ilalagay natin to. Hindi na kailangan antayin pang kumulo tong gulay. Yung tubig para alisin siya agad sa tubig. Huwag na kailangan antayin para lumambot. Just wash into the boiling water. No need too long time to boil this vegetable. Ayan, kumukuha ko na isa-isa. Malamig na siya yung gulay. Tapos, papantay-pantayin lang natin siya. Kailangan pantay-pantay para pag kinat natin siya, sure na pantay-pantay. Tapos, and then I mix squeeze like this until the water's out. Okay, and then I cut half shortly like this. Okay, i-marinate ko na tong dumplings. I minced the pork and then I marinate with soy sauce, pepper, and cornstarch, and salt, a little bit oil. So it's like this. I marinate about 1 hour of minced pork here with the vegetable to marinate. Making sure the pork is really minced like this. The garlic. We put some garlic. About 1 spoon, and minced ginger. Pepper and chicken powder. You can put more than chicken powder to taste it. And a little bit salt. And mix. The amount niya is only like this, and you wrap like this and the line, and we push. But if you want to make some design, you make like this. Yeah, design. So nice look. Seems like shell, but outside is one line, but front is design. So press it well to make sure not open when we boil it. As water is really boiled. Just remove because on the bottom is sticky. Just remove the sauce.